Good day po to everyone. So today we will be unboxing another product. At ito po ay mula sa Samsung. Ito po yung SR950 headphones. SR950 Professional Studio Reference Headphones. Tignan po natin muna yung box. Okay, ikot natin yung box. Ayan. Sa likod na side, next side, then yan, harap ulit. So buksan natin yung box. Ano ba ang laman? So when we open the box, yan, ang unang-una natin makikita ay mga documentation. Oops, may nalaglag pa. Yan, yung frequency response, yung headphones, at iba pang mga specification which we will put later. So now, ito na yung headphones. Let's pick it up mula sa box, put it out of the box. So medyo mahaba ang kanyang wire. So kung titingnan natin yung sides, ayan, close up, close up, close up. Ayan, 32 ohms headphone siya. Ayan, sa left and right, nakalagay. Ayan, may bakal siya, steel, tapos plasticky na leather. Yung kanyang cups, left and right. Ayan, tapos yung wire niya na nakapaikot pa. At yung screwable na adapter to PL. So that's our unboxing of the Samsung SR950 reference studio headphones.